I have some leftover cinnamon rolls, so I thought it'd be fun to make some cinnamon roll ice cream today. So we're going to be making a custard base for our ice cream, and I'm going to be using Crafty Witches because I really like his recipes and his custard base is really easy. For the base, we're going to be heating up some heavy cream, some milk, and then some sugar. And we're going to be heating this up for a few minutes until the sugar dissolves. So now with our milk mixture heated up, I'm going to add a little bit to our egg mixture, and I'll just add a little bit more and continue whisking. So now I'm going to return the egg mixture back to the heat, and we'll continue cooking it. We'll now add our base through a strainer. For the custard base, we'll need some time to chill in the fridge, but before it does, I'm going to add in some cinnamon. So this is super hot, so now I'm going to let it get nice and cool in the fridge for a little bit. For the mix-ins, I'm not trying to go too crazy, so I have the cinnamon rolls that I'm going to be cutting up. I have some cream cheese, and then I have these cinnamon chips that I made a while ago that I want to try getting rid of, so we're going to be using those too. So originally I was going to add the mix-ins while the ice cream was churning, but I decided to just do it by hand and then I'll be folding it in. So first we're starting with our cinnamon chips. We then have the cream cheese. And I'm just doing dollops of it. And then I have the chopped up cinnamon rolls. And so now I'm just going to put the ice cream in this loaf pan. Alright, so now this needs to go back in the freezer for a little bit. Alright, so we can see that our ice cream is fully set, so now for the best part, I'm going to eat some. So the ice cream itself is nice and creamy. I'm really happy I went with the custard base because usually I just skip that altogether. As I've said previously, I do like more mix-ins than ice cream, so I'm getting bites of the cinnamon rolls, the cinnamon chips, and then I can also taste that cream cheese as well. I love making ice cream with leftover bakes that I have, whether it's brownies, cookies, or in this case, cinnamon rolls. I'll be sure to have the ingredients in the caption and the full recipe in my newsletter soon.